Philippines. So I hope my wishes to be found out and they would respond in peaceful ways, peaceful manner, communicate in peaceful manner. Because that is not only way for us to move forward, but to promote mutual benefit from both sides. Tonight we celebrate not only the New Year, but the long-standing relationship between Davao City and China. For tonight we are also launching the Davao City Chinatown Committee on Hope, which chronicles the journey of the first Chinese families in Davao City and showcases the deep-rooted history of our Chinese communities. And as we stand on Bukanan Bridge tonight, kining kulay na atong pinatungtungan karong ginagamit ni Agian, gihatag ni sa to as a singa na libre wa tayo gastrono. Atutumanan. Also, I can remember it's a gift to former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte during his term. Regalo ni sa China siya sa birthday, you know, that is how they packaged it, but ultimately it is for the Davaoenos. So, siyempre ka nag-aanda, kailangan napasalamatan ka, and you have to remember that China is a friend. They are neighbors. Hindi ka ito gustong silingan, nag-aaway mo. Kaya silingan, tuol kayo sa inyong. Kamu, unahan ko mo ngayon silingan, kalapan ninyo, magkawasan ninyo, magkasiba kayo, sige mo baway. O nang hindi na ito gusto. And in fact, we benefit from China in terms of our economy. Taga mga barato mga palitono, dala na siya mga sinunod na gina-picture siya sa tuwa. Pag-sili niya ang China, kailangan lang makasabot na China has grown exponentially in the past 20 years. And I am sure that they are willing to share this growth and prosperity with the Philippines for years to come. So, mas maayo, mas daghan tag amigo, mas kaysa mas daghan tag tao. O ang importante kayo na pagkanapon pa rin. Hindi pa ito, whether it's a Davao, assimilate na mga yung Chinese, yung mga Davaoy, yung mga Pilipino. Panahon po sa Tayawan, araw ng Davao, naakot na sila nila, yung mga Chinese, ang mga tribo. Ang mga migrants na yan itong panahon, yung mga Bisaya, mga Bugano, Tagagaya, yung mga Ilocano, Ilonggo. So kaming Davao, isa benefiting pa, different revolutions. So again, we have strength in our diversity. O hindi na nagpapasok sa tuwa, sa dahilan at kultura o kagitan, yan ang totoo. So basta importante, kahit ang pagkakikusa o kinamamahal. O magkaroon, nahanap din ang Tigawis Valley, pagkunaman ng television, medyo opposition na sa administrasyon karon, ginagalaan na nila, pero asa na sa karon, lahat ng ihapunta, kapawin nyo, kapawin ng ihapunta, huwag ka nila na tulong.
Malakpak mo eh.
Kaya ka mo.
The city government school towards modernization and infrastructure development stands as a monumental reminder
Paninaw mo.
It's 2026, the welcome the year of fireworks. It's
dynamic and active, we must also be courageous, spirited, and bold in pursuing goals and aspirations for the year. With this new year with us, with hope and abundance, we continue to be stronger communities for a more prosperous future ahead. So mga nakawin nyo, kaya lang, natunan ako ng pagpipilihan, at namin yung pinili sa ating eleksyon, kaya kung sa kawang lulusod, kaya lang ta, tagaan, munamo, gobyerno, na ang piyan ng importa, makita natin na mauli sa inyo. May nabilis sa tanan, okay, Francoy, Leaders, double city councilors, deputy mayors, authority Francis Mark Valley, double city administrator, double city department heads, double city Chinatown Development Council, President Council of Davao City, security clusters, local government workers, yung mga city, ay nagpipili ng banan. We will be trading China really colonial activities. Kaya itong panahon, yan sa Buanga, naalala tayo yung China, yung mga karami ng Pilipino na mausong na nasasagang sa Buanga. Naalala tayo yung exchanges.
Dami lagi yung drone to.
Permit. Nawat lang ka.
我们虽相隔千里，但有诚情谊，让我们心意相通。回望过去8年，我们的合作如同骏马驰骋，始终保持着稳健而有力的步伐，在经贸往来、人文交流等领域多取得了扎实而丰硕的成果。两座城市的纽带更加紧密，民心相通日益深入。跃马迎新春，同心创辉煌。在这象征着奋进与活力的马年，我们期待与达沃市继续并肩，拓展合作新领域，培育交流新亮点，共创两地更加美好的未来。
To Mayor Sebastiana Z. Duterte. This gesture represents our deep gratitude for his continued support in preserving the rich cultural heritage of the Filipino-Chinese community in Davao City. May this book serve as a lasting